In Sindh, generations of farmers have cultivated the land with deep knowledge and resilience. But resilience alone has not been enough. Erratic weather, floods, and outdated farming practices have made sustaining quality yields difficult. And limited access to markets and formal finance trapped many in a cycle of low productivity and missed opportunities.
हमें मेन चैलेंज एक फेस करना पड़ा, वो हमें ट्रांसपोर्ट का प्रॉब्लम था, क्योंकि फ्रेश प्रोड्यूस को ट्रांसपोर्ट करना होता था पूरे सिटी में डिफरेंट ब्रांचेस में स्टोर्स की। उस दौरान हमारा मैंगो काफ़ी डैमेज हो रहा था।
2023 से पहले मेरे कारोबार में वो लोड शेडिंग की वजह से काफ़ी मुश्किलात होती थी, दूध रिजेक्ट हो जाता था। और 2022 में जो सैलाब हुआ था उसमें काफ़ी मुतासर हुए थे हमारे जानवर जो जहाँ से दूध परचेज करते थे।
There's a lot of potential in agriculture and livestock sector. At the same time, there are a lot of challenges also. The biggest one that I can relate is the pre and post harvest losses, lack of access to financial services, lack of capacity.
To overcome these barriers, the Growth for Rural Advancement and Sustainable Progress GRASP project was launched. Funded by the European Union and implemented by ITC in partnership with PPAF, FAO and SMEDA, GRASP is designed to empower small and medium enterprises across 7 key agribusiness value chains in Sindh, chosen for their local strengths and economic potential. What sets GRASP apart is that it strengthens both the system and the people in it. It's working towards improving broader business environment through policy reform, while also strengthening enterprises from within. Through matching grants, financial linkages, and institutional partnerships, SMEs were able to upgrade operations, invest in modern equipment, reach new markets, adopt climate-friendly practices, and achieve certifications. At the same time, trainings in financial literacy, smart marketing, value addition, and good agricultural practices equipped SMEs to lead with confidence and strategy. Hanif invested in 2 solar systems for his outlets and introduced milk analyzers to ensure quality with the help of GRASP's matching grant. His operations stabilized, losses vanished, and his product range expanded to include khoya and condensed butter, and his market reach stretched to Hyderabad and Nawabshah.
पहले मेरे पास 3 ब्रांचेस थी, अब शुक्र अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह मेरे पास 7 ब्रांचें हैं। 2 बारी जो सेल है पहले 10 मन होती थी तो अब हमारी 20 मन हो रही है। पहले मेरे पास तकरीबन 6-7 लोग काम करते थे, अब शुक्र अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह कोई 35 मुलाजिम मेरे पास काम करते हैं।
Meanwhile, in Karachi, Afifa Khalid, running one of the few women-led fresh produce businesses, was already serving clients like Spar and Pandamart, but wanted to grow beyond small-scale supply. GRASP facilitated her linkage with Habib Metro Bank, which resulted in her getting a 5 million rupees loan for her business, enabling her to upgrade packaging, logistics and supply chains.
पहले जहाँ हम 2 स्टोर्स को एक दिन में कवर करते थे, अब हम 5 से 6 स्टोर्स को एक दिन में कवर कर लेते हैं। इसके साथ साथ जैसे जैसे ब्रांड बढ़ता गया, हमने इसमें डिफरेंट प्रोडक्ट्स के इंट्रोडक्शन करवाया, जिसमें कट फ्रूट प्लेटर्स हैं, मिक्स्ड फ्रूट बॉक्सेस हैं, फ्रूट बास्केट्स हैं। डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म्स के साथ साथ हम ऑन ग्राउंड मार्केटिंग हम करते रहे हैं। हम डिफरेंट एग्जीबिशंस में और फूड रिलेटेड फेस्टिवल्स में पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं।
By connecting small businesses to buyers, suppliers, processors, and service providers locally, regionally, and internationally, GRASP is not just creating opportunities for individual successes, it's driving systematic change. As a result, rural SMEs can now be seen innovating, expanding, and thriving like never before.
In Sindh, there was a food festival by Government of Pakistan just last year, and just $1.5 million orders were placed by various countries, and they got linked with 16 countries. Secondly, we also saw that overall in Sindh province, more than 8,000 employment have been created so far, and this is a study which we conducted last year. I roughly estimate more than double employment opportunities now, because most of the matching grant have been implemented so far.
So GRASP is a multifaceted project, and we have worked on different areas. We have improved the policy environment of Pakistan. We have enhanced the access to finance for the SMEs. We have been working closely with the SMEs towards their capacity building. We've been trying to support them and build better companies and develop them into a formal part of Pakistan's economy.
As for what's next for Hanif and Afifa, Hanif is eyeing new cities and product lines, while Afifa is growing her digital presence and offerings. And like them, many SMEs across Sindh are now building futures, once thought impossible.
मैं शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहूँगी ग्रास्प का, EU, ITC, PPF का, जिन्होंने हम पे ट्रस्ट किया और हमें सपोर्ट किया, जिसकी बेसिस पे अब हम मज़ीद इनोवेशन और सस्टेनेबल प्रैक्टिसेस की तरफ इंक्लाइंड हैं।
मैं शुक्रगुजार हूँ ग्रास्प प्रोजेक्ट का, ख़ास तौर पे यूरोपीय यूनियन का, ITC और PPF का, जिन्होंने मेरे कारोबार के लिए मदद फराहम की, जिसकी वजह से मैं कारोबार में तरक्की की राह पे रवां दवा हूँ।